Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you this Sundpey household toolkit. So this item was gifted to me to do this video, guys, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to unbox you and show you what comes in the box and what it looks like, guys. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box and do exactly that. So first impressions, it's got a very nice case. This one is pink because it's actually a present for my wife. She's always getting in my tools, and I'm always like, hey, leave my tools alone, because she never puts them back. And so when they offered me this and I saw that it was pink, I was like, hey, perfect gift for her so that she can have her own tool set. So that's really what this is all about. So let me go ahead and open it up here. So I like cases that hold everything nice and secure. So let's open it up here. All right, so there we have the whole kit. Get it right here so you can see it better. Okay, so here's the whole kit here. You can see everything in it. We've got our socket driver here, our 3/8" drive sockets, our 1/4" drive sockets. The system is all metric. We have 5 metric wrenches here. Go from 14mm down to 8mm. So we have 8mm, 10mm, 13mm, 12mm, 13mm, and 14mm wrench. We have Phillips straight and a socket driver here with some long extension bits here, long bits, and then a whole bunch of small short bits here. Have a wire stripper here, 1/4" extension drive right there. Obviously these, got some screws, some little hardware, mounting hardware stuff here. We have our little magnetic level here. Roll of electrician's tape. Have a 3-meter little measuring tape here. Okay, 3/8" extension, hammer, adjustable wrench, our channel lock or interlocking wrench, little set of lineman's pliers and some needle nose pliers, and even a spark plug socket there. Let's look at our socket wrench here, our driver. So push button release, put our spark plug wrench, socket on. Okay, that locks in there like that. Put push button release, flip reverse. Alright, so that sounds pretty good. Got I think a little 12-penny finishing hammer here. Fiberglass handle. Nice. An adjustable wrench here. Up to 24mm, I guess. A channel lock, what I call a channel lock. Lineman's pliers. And some needle nose here. Always need a little good pair of needle nose. Alright guys, so there's the whole kit for you. It's basic quality, homeowner quality for the occasional job. My wife's going to love it. It's going to be everything that she needs it to be. Okay, I have something for you. You know how you're always getting into my toolkit? Well, now you don't have to no more. You got your own toolkit.
Yay. Oh, wow. Look at that.
And it's even pink, your favorite color. It's got socket, a little hammer, an adjustable wrench, channel locks, pliers, measuring needle nose. Even got a little measuring tape. This here is your driver. All these little bits here go inside that, so you can screw things with that.
That's awesome.
And you got Even if you want to do electrical work, don't do electrical work without me. You can strip wires with this. Some crappy.
Yeah.
It's a nice little wire stripper there. Okay.
That is
You want to
awesome.
get things level? You got a little level.
This.
Get things level there. And so, you know, you got everything that you need to do your little projects around the house now.
Yay.
And you don't
I
have to mess
am-
with my toolkit.
I am excited.
Okay.
Oh,
Well, I'm
thank
glad you like
you.
it. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit that thumbs up under the video to let me know it's helped you out. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.